Do you know that during season period, people make millions of naira? Business owners, they sell like mad. Why? Because season period is a season of joy. That is when business move up and down. You see people they sell like mad. So this is the best time to start up your own business or even start up your own side hustle business. Yes, you can be a business owner and create a side hustle during this period. As at the time of creating this video, it's on November. And I believe from November, December, January, people are still spending. So why not start up your own business or your own side hustle today? So in this video, I'll be sharing with you 10 profitable high business you can start up. Though you can start it up with small amount of money. Hi everyone, it's your girl Unique Nilo. For this tutorial, I'll be teaching you 10 highly profitable businesses or side hustle you can start up this seasonal period. Guys, if you are seeing this face for the first time, I'm Unique Nilo, the CEO of Unique Creativity. I produce all sorts of headgear, just like this headband. You can see this headband I'm putting on. I have fascinators, any kind of headgear, I produce it. You can check that on my channel if you want to learn more about headgear making, okay? Also, if you are new to this channel and you find this video or any of my videos helpful, kindly join the Unique family, okay? Also like my videos and don't forget to comment on the comment section if you have any question to ask. So my number one on the list is headgear business. What there is headgear business? This is the business I can testify of. It's the business I do. So when I beat my chest and say that that should be the number one business you delve into, I'm not making mistake. Yes. See, headgear business is so lucrative. Even if you can produce, even if you cannot produce it, you can buy. That is wholesale. You can buy from people, add your gain on top, and resell. You see, this season, it's rare to see people that don't put on headgear, even children. You can start with children headgear. You can even start with adult headgear. What matters is the one you want to start with. Both are so sellable. Don't know if you get me. So you can browse, go on the internet, search trending headgears. You can post on your WhatsApp, your Facebook, showcase it to the world that you are into this business now, and you can see people patronizing you. So I advise you to start up now. Buy, you can sell to those people that want to buy for their kids. I can sell to those that want to wear for themselves. Yes, headgear business sells like mad. Number two on my list is renting of beaded accessories and hand fan making. Many people they do traditional marriage. In fact, ceremonies go up and down once it's seasonal period. So why not start renting beaded accessories? You know all these beaded necklace, beaded hand fans, beaded caps. It is one of the lucrative business that sells well during seasonal period. I'm telling you, this business I'm into, even if you don't want to resell, you can rent. Then if someone wants to buy, you can buy from the market and sell. You mustn't know how to produce it. Go to the market, all these big markets, Onitsha, Lagos, buy, then resell. Don't know why people are dulling on this. Is it for hand fan? That one is not trending. Production and hand fan. Hand fan production. If you can learn that, it's good. And some people, it's even their main business. See, all this is now business. They are one of the business you can start now, and it will be your last longing business you can start with. So, guys, no dulling on this. Start up any of these businesses today. The third on my list is selling of Christmas items. You know this Christmas cap, Christmas gifts, those toys that make noise, Christmas jingles, and I don't even know what they're called. All those trumpets that rains through during seasonal period. You know them now. Go and buy in bulk and resell. See, I know people that, in fact, people that pay their rent through selling of those Christmas items. Why I call that one the major seasonal business is because the only time they sell it, in fact, the only time I see those things is during Christmas. After Christmas, I don't even know where they pack it. I don't even know where they keep those things. Those Christmas caps, songs that they sell. There is this particular cap you wear. It will be singing jingle, all these. There are Christmas items. There are these trumpet that they do sell during that period. Christmas toys. Buy it and sell. This kind of business, you don't even need millions to start it. You can start it with a low capital and make your gain. Number 4 business is rinsing and epoxy rinsing. What is rinsing art? Rinsing art is, I don't even know how to explain it. But when you watch all these pictures, these videos showing on your screen,
I went from this. I went from this to this.
You want to make your first 7 zeros, from your hands and your own business this year. Have you heard about resin art? Wait, have you seen beautiful resin art pieces and you've been wanting to learn? Like, do you know how much you'll be making once you start this business? See, there's no time for you to sit and do nothing this year. You can actually learn and add this to one of your businesses. You can learn and have it as a handwork for yourself. Honestly, you shouldn't just be seen not having anything to do or not having any business of your own.
You might have come across it or it might be new. What you do for me is go to YouTube, go to Facebook, go to Google, just type resin arts and epoxy rinsing. If you get me, I think that art is less than you can start it with less than 50,000 or 30 something thousand, maybe 35,000. You can buy the material and start. Why is it beneficial in this season? I told you this season period is season of joy. People celebrate birthdays, wedding anniversaries, seasonal anniversaries, welcome open house, welcome party up and down. It happens in this season. I've seen someone that produced, what's it called? This key holder, comb, jotter, pen. Hey, I said, what is this? So just go and type recent art or epoxy rinsing. You will learn more about it. You see people asking you, I love this, so I want to share it as a gift. Recent art is just like what you can give as gift. Don't know. To people doing wedding, to people doing their birthday, you can go to TikTok. If you have TikTok, just type recent art. You will see people teaching it even as low as 5,000, 3,000. You can pay, learn it. Number 5 on my list is production of chin-chin and peanuts. Which house will you go to that you won't eat chin-chin during season period? Chin-chin. People look down on that business. That's one of the business I was into before Headgear not even gree me sleep again. Since I started this Headgear business, many businesses that I started, I dropped it because of time. I can't kill myself now. Yes, I know some of you will be like, is there every business that you started? Yes, so as a hustler, I know the door. Chin-chin. You might be like, it's not chin-chin again. Yes. How did I start mine? I produced mine. Do you know I was not even the one needing mine? I didn't need it with my hand. I took it to machine. Let me tell you how I did mine. There was a time I produced up to half bag during season. I'm telling you. What I did was I bought the materials that will mix up that half bag. I took it to millers. Ask around in your area, people that have big machine that mix chin-chin. Take it there. I paid as low as 3,000 naira. And I got up to how many painters? Half bag. Then how did people know that I was selling it? I started with my neighbors, my church members, my friends. This takeaway cup, this transparent takeaway cup, I put sample inside there, covered it with foil, just gave them as gift. That's my product. Some of you don't want to even market. You don't want to give free. At times, give away, give for free. Some of you are so stingy that you can't even market your product. You can tie the one of 100 naira, 200 naira, that takeaway cup, that transparent takeaway, the small one. No. You can use your foil and cover the top. Then what do? Give it to people as sample, let them taste. You don't know if that person that tasted that one, she can book one painter. That person that you gave just that one of 200 naira can book 3 painters. Number 6 on my list is Zobo drink. In fact, I call it drink business. You can start kunu, tiger nut, Zobo drink, soy milk drink. So I'll be like, is it that I can start this? Yes, you can start. Some people, they don't even like drinking all this mineral, all this Fanta, Coke, malt. They don't even like it again. They prefer natural drinks. Then that same technique used in selling the chin-chin and the peanuts, you understand? You can use it and start up this particular one. Those small quantity to give to people as sample. Tell them I do this. During those events, they can book from 1 gallon to 25 gallon. You supply and make your sales. All this contract business, they pay. How do they start? It's by testing. I'm doing this. So you go to pastor's wife, mommy, I'm doing this. In case they want to do get together, they'll not tell you, oh yeah, bring the one of 25 gallon, we need it. Business don't start to. So my they don't do on this. The seventh point is laundry business. Some people that dwelling on this business, you say laundry, during season period, some people don't even have time to wash their clothes. I'm telling you, all the people that came back, they don't like washing their clothes. They'll be like, I need someone that will help me wash. You will start it up. Laundry business is very lucrative. It's not using with your bare hands. If you're not able to get a washing machine, chicken, you're good to go. So start up laundry business. Many occasions, people that wash their wedding gowns, people that wash their what's it called? People into decoration. They always wash. They take it to dry cleaners. Business has started though. So stand up your laundry business. It pays. The number 8 on my list is house cleaning business. What do I mean by house cleaning? You know those people that lock their houses for maybe some months or even a year, and they want people that will come and clean it before they come back. Once you want to start up this business, you create a team of 3, 4, 5. You see, you carry them go clean. The people charge her you. I have a friend of mine, my neighbor. That's what she does. Any house, even new house, people that built new houses, they clean and they make cool cash. Yeah, there, darling. Start house cleaning business. You can start with a low amount of money and make your confirm code. My number 9 is popcorn business. You heard me right? Popcorn. That one, I call it business that sells by itself. You're making popcorn here, the aroma. You someone in Jara Junction will be perceiving it. That's one thing with popcorn business. If you start it here, it will go outside your niche, another environment, attract someone that don't even know where they're selling the popcorn. So why not start up popcorn business? You know this season period, there's so many events. People doing wedding, people opening houses. Go and put your popcorn stand there. Make sales now. What you just need is ask people around, where is the occasion happening? Which ceremony? You carry your kaya and do your business. And that's it. The 10th one is your POS business. You see, how many people still go to banks today? How many? Tell me. Why do I like POS business? POS business is business you can merge with other businesses. It's not a must you start it as, though some people do it as their business or their side hustle. But POS business is business you can merge with other businesses. Imagine you making up to 50 transactions in a day. Or let me not overcarry it. 20 transactions in a day. Multiply it now. So my day, start it up. You can merge it with other business, and that's it. So my guys, if you find this video helpful and you want me to be putting up many videos like this, such helpful videos concerning business, please comment on this comment section. If you find this video helpful and you want me to be bringing this kind of content to this channel, why not comment on the comment section, okay? Don't forget to hit the like button and support your girl with a like. Thanks for staying up to this time. I love you all. See you next time.